Imagine your business replying to customers' messages instantly on WhatsApp 24 hours a day without hiring a full support team. What if your customer could ask questions, place order, track deliveries, and get support automatically using AI? This is exactly what I built using WhatsApp Business API and OpenAI integrations. Hey, I am MD Shahrukh Khan, AI developer specializing in intelligent business automation system. I help businesses to integrate AI powered customer support assistant directly into the WhatsApp using technology like React, Node.js, Fast API, OpenAI, and automation workflows. Most of the small businesses lose customer because replies are too slow. Customers message at night during busy hour and when the team is offline, and manually answering the same question again and again wastes valuable time. This is exactly where an AI powered WhatsApp customer support assistant becomes a game changer. With WhatsApp Business API, your business can automate customers' communications intelligently. This AI bot can answer customers' questions instantly, handle FAQ automatically, recommend products, track orders and delivery updates, generate leads, support multiple languages, escalate complex issues to human agents. Unlike other traditional AI chatbot, this AI system can understand natural conversation using advanced AI. On the back end, I built secure, scalable AI systems using Node.js, Fast API, and OpenAI APIs. And I also create secure webhook integration using WhatsApp Business Platform, Meta Cloud, or providers such as Twilio. As for database and conversation management, I use technology like MongoDB and Vector database for AI memory and retrieval systems. I also implement automation pipeline, CRM integrations, analytics dashboard, and real-time notifications. For small businesses, these AI systems more than just a AI chatbot. It's become a 24/7 sale and support employee. With this, your business can reduce support cost, respond faster, increase customer satisfactions, automate repetitive tasks, and scale customer support without scaling staff. And because customers are already use WhatsApp daily, so engagement rates are extremely high. This is perfectly works for businesses like e-commerce, real estate agencies, clinic, and local businesses, or any businesses that receives customers message can benefit from WhatsApp automation. If you want to modernize your business using WhatsApp automation, I can help build scalable smart solution tailored to your workflow. From AI chatbot to full business automation, I built modern scalable AI powered web applications to save time and improve customers' experience.